Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting the Lamborghini Urus set up with a set of Pirelli Soda Zero winter tires. We're going to be putting these on some Vossen HF5s. Let's get to it. Touchless machines to get these tires mounted and balanced on those wheels. We're going to use our laser road force balancer to get these wheels feeling the best they can on the roadway. So let's get these things loaded up and get started. All right guys, we got everything wrapped up today. Wheels and tires are mounted and balanced. In the past, this car also received a full car matte PPF, topped off ceramic coating, window tint and SunTech CIR. Wheels also got ceramic coated today as well. I think this thing's winter ready.